Hey guys, it's Chris, the tiny house guy. This is like take number 6 because I keep hitting the button accidentally. Anyway, we're gonna give you a weekend update. It's December 4. Let's take a look at the roof. Take a look at some solar panels that I have up here. So these are flexible, these are Renogy flexible solar panels. I have 2 installed. Let's take a look and see the studs going through there. There is gonna be a bit of an issue here with, this one's gonna wanna buff it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to put some this big 1/2-inch strap across with some sort of a bit of neoprene foam in the middle, which will tend to hold the center down so it won't buff it. Panels are going to be configured in, so these two panels are going to be in series, and then these 2 panels are going to be in series. Then I'll put, basically the 2 sets in parallel inside, so you're effectively getting 2 24-volt solar panels. That's kind of the idea for this. And 24 volts is better voltage because if you're using an MPPT charge controller, it gives you a little more headroom to charge the battery. So it's kind of what I recommend. For 24 or 48 is probably best. And so let's go inside. We've got a bunch of foam in. This is all 2-inch foam, except for this back wall is actually 1.5-inch foam. Some of this is glued. You can sort of see I've got this glued in. This is glued in. Some of these other pieces are not quite. They'll be glued in at some point. This is the bed platform, which is 2-inch foam, and I put 5.5 millimeter plywood on top of it. And you can probably take a closer look. There's a seam in the middle. I'm just going to put some varnish on this, and that'll be the way it is. I'm not even going to do any finish because it's going to be a mattress on top of it. You don't need it. And then in here, you can actually see it sort of much better here. So this is going to be storage, something like a drawer or something. So I'm actually going to have four drawers, so you can sort of start to see those take shape. I've just got some concrete blocks in there now. I'm trying to make sure the glue that's on this sort of holds together really well. It's really it. That's my power station. It's a Blue Eddy power station. It's the AC 200 Max that actually seems to work really well. And that's probably about where it's going to end up being in the real when this camper's all done. Maybe there'll be an air conditioner above it, and then this is going to be basically a place to sit, and then of course the kitchen will be over in here. So that's a progress. I think next week we'll probably finish the installation up, get it all glued in. So anyway, 2 minutes and 44 seconds. I think that's pretty good, don't you? Thanks for watching.